She really excited. Alright, let's do it. Okay.
Hey, I'm Nick.
Hi, I'm Nicole. See? This time it's more confident, you know what I mean?
Okay. Rolling a joint. Cutting grass. Eating. Playing basketball.
3, 2, 1, go.
Impersonating Bob Ross. Barbecue toilet. Yoga in the air. Swimming in Haiti. Playing basketball on a can. Ooh.
3, 2, 1.
Guy watching YouTube wearing cat ears. Hands. Fingers. Cooking ratatouille. What is it? Peanut butter jelly. Drinking. Oh my god. Kissing a dolphin. Smoking.
Traveling.
Oh my god. Oh, she's clapping. Makeup. It's blowing coke. What is the ejecting? A pat down. This is hard. Crying. I have no idea. Oh, riding a horse.
Playing with. Kicking. Stealing. Cheating. Back flipping. High five.
Hopscotch? Oh my god. Ramen noodles? Is that a pizza? Do I have to am I in the right spot?
She said Roman nipples.
Oh, she said
I swear she did. It was her.
If that's my genuine reaction, because he's trying to manipulate
Okay, say
my
what you want to
accent.
say. Say what you want to say.
Am I not right though? I'm sorry. I just feel like I need to make a weird pause.
Yeah, I couldn't see.
Okay, why can't I do it creatively? Why can't I do it the way I want it to? Because
No, you're good.
No,
You
you're
did
fine.
good. I'm
okay,
sorry.
I thought you were telling me. Okay, stop. No, because you told me don't say. Like the Latina girl stuff.